I would love to build towards a reality, and I think Actionable and Verisk are doing that with their exact expert tool. Where, okay, if a carrier has guidelines and those rules are clear, Joe, think about it. They're guideline rules, Joe. Like it's not that hard to take those rules and then cram that into an expert system or LLM. If we can get to a point like restorers actually want to build a carrier such that they would get paid without hesitation, right? They just want to get paid fairly.
Sure.
I think we've smoothed this out. And I think that other people in the middle are going to have to get creative to figure out what their role is going to be. But this idea where you're a contractor, restorer, you submit an invoice, and then it goes to a staff adjuster, staff adjuster sends it to some scrubber, maybe like a ward law, and then they beat it up, but then they approve it, and then it gets back to the staff adjuster, and the staff adjuster asks for some change. It goes back to the restorer, and the restorer changes that, and then it goes back to the staff adjuster. Because this is nonsense. Your average claim right now is changed more than 5% according to RCV replacement cost value, 3.7 times on average. Do you understand how expensive that is? Like that
Well,
somebody has to open that claim up, change the dollar amount that much, 3.7 times on average? That's nuts. And so I'm so proud of the case studies that are rolling out of Actionable where we've got situations where ATI restoration and USA have reduced the back and forth by essentially half. So now those claims are getting opened back up 1.7 times, right? As opposed to 3.7. That's work to be proud of. And that's what gets me out of bed in the morning. That is flipping exciting stuff. I think at its essence, Actionable is trying to create space to fall in love with our jobs again because it was way more fun 15 years ago than it is today.